Patients did not believe it when they first started seeing messages pop up on Facebook about Dr. Richard Leahy, but the accusations were true. Their children were seeing a doctor convicted for distributing child porn. Our Fox Files investigation has uncovered dozens of doctors getting second chances after crimes patients probably do not know about. How do you explain being able to examine kids with your conviction? Dr. Richard Leahy, a pediatrician in St. Charles County and a child porn convict.
I kind of put up a big fight. I'm like, no, he's not.
Mariela Nair had been taking her little ones to him for years. Then someone pointed out his mugshot on a sex offender registry.
I was shocked to find out that someone in so much power could be on the register sex offender. That was mind-blowing.
He needs to be exposed.
Victoria Stadler's been going to Dr. Leahy since she was 15. She thinks people deserve a second chance, but
when you're looking at child pornography and then you go back to being a pediatrician, that does not seem right to me.
Dr. Leahy did not stop to answer our questions, except to say he's licensed.
I do.
We found his conviction in federal court. 20 years ago, he admitted distributing to Chicago a, quote, visual depiction of a minor engaging in sexually explicit conduct. The Missouri Board of Healing Arts stripped his license, but after he served prison time, the board gave him a special probationary license, restricting him from treating female patients under 18. The state board lifted the restriction 2 years later. Victoria and Mariela look back at the years they've seen Dr. Leahy and wonder if he could have said something.
He has this tablet, and when he goes to take if he goes to do anything, there's a picture button in that tablet. Who's not to say that, like, I could be standing as close as you and I, and he's looking at his tablet. Who's not to say that he doesn't take a picture of my kid while I'm standing there?
Victoria said she confronted someone in his office.
I asked the receptionist about the whole ordeal, and she goes, That
was the end.
She did not answer me at all.
So she asked Dr. Leahy himself and recorded his response with her iPhone.
Yeah, that was about 25 years ago when the internet was new. I accidentally got on something I shouldn't have been on. And I don't know what to tell you except that it happened.
How did it happen?
Me not paying much attention.
We found nearly 100 doctors like him in Missouri. Doctors issued probationary licenses in the past 5 years who may still be practicing, like Dr. Lisa Armbruster from Lincoln County, who reportedly treated patients while under the influence of alcohol, and Dr. Fazil Yassin from Creve Coeur, a psychiatrist who, according to the Missouri Healing Arts, touched a patient and asked if he was having an erection in order to determine the patient's sexual identity. You may have no way of finding out unless you know where to look. Victoria and Mariela say they found out about Dr. Leahy through Facebook after someone happened to see the doctor's face on a sex offender registry.